let's get on with it. You ever have one of them evenings where your mind won't stop and you can't go to sleep? So I figured I would take advantage of doing some shipping. This is everything that's sold today. These little Walkmans are great to pick up. Most time, $1 or two. I don't spend more than $3 for these things because the one thing, the CD players, they always work. I can't remember a CD player that didn't work. But the cassettes, they're a little different because for those of you who are not blessed to live in the cassette age, there is a rubber band or in here that runs the cassette part, so they get dry rot over time and age over time. So this one was good. So the one thing to do, I always double check the battery compartment just to make sure that I didn't miss cleaning it, and also there's no batteries in it. I don't ship with batteries, that's just more weight. So let's I've picked out all our supplies. For those of you who don't know, down below all my shipping boxes. I'm cleaning all this up tomorrow. Oh look, there's a Trump flag. Hey, the Trump Meister. Alright. Oh, sorry for that spin around. Maybe we'll cut that out and do a little transition. So I've got this little guy. It is 6x4x4. So that means I need probably a 2 inches over, a 3, 6, we need a 12-inch piece. So we're going to set tape measure to 12. I can't tell you how much I love the paper tape. It is awesome. Alright, that's it. You get the right piece every time. Should have grabbed some tissue paper while I'm over here. This is still the Walgreens stuff. This stuff was 90% off, and I bought a bunch of it. And I'll still have some at Christmas, and probably when they go off again. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'll buy some more. You can't have enough 90% off tissue paper. So same piece. I just need another of the same pieces. All right. This tape dispenser is a luxury. You can use 2-inch tape, 3-inch tape. I prefer 3-inch tape. This is 2.75 and it's reinforced. You can see the little lines in there. It is really tough. But the one thing that you cannot go without, and if I could find it, as a new person selling on eBay, this right here, a $25 scale, will make you your money back over and over. Do not go to the post office. Pay for your postage. If you're top rated, definitely pay through eBay. You'll get a top rated discount. But if you're not, never fear. You can get that same discount on Pirate Ship. It's very easy to log into pirateship.com and then connect your accounts and put in your PayPal debit card, and that way you get 1% back on all your spending on shipping. So it's a good little trick, right? All right, so what I generally do is I write what it is and what the weight was. That's why I bought all these markers the other day when they were 90% off of Walgreens. 9 ounces cassette. Sometimes I can't read my own writing. It's kind of terrible writing. Alright, so I cheated. This box I was going to use for something else the other day. I didn't film it. And it was not the right box. So I just left it together because I've got room down there. Alright. As you can see, what does that tell you? That's an Amazon return. Not all Amazon returns are bad. We'll show it to you real quick. It's just a light. It's all. I tested it. Y'all want to see it? Alright. She works just fine. It's still all packaged up. So, yep. Is this supposed to have... One thing I noticed, there's no ground stake in it. I don't know if it's supposed to have that ground stake, but don't worry. It's got a red one right here. Let's see what it's supposed to have in it. Man. Did y'all see me just save myself a return? I just happened to notice on here there was a ground stake. And so that's what they did with this one. Amazon return, they kept parts. It happens. Beer to picker, what could you do about that? Not much. Just part of doing business, right? But now, I got to remember to take the red one down. So now it is 100%. It's important to have boxes that are the right size. You can go get boxes wherever. You can save boxes. Due to time, I just like using new boxes. And you'll figure out in this game, time. As you can see, those boxes over there, I was in the middle of an Amazon shipment. Everything behind you, Amazon. When I stopped working today. So, I did take in 8 boxes today. Stuff I bought on the way back from Atlanta at a store that I wasn't even going to. Be flexible when you're sourcing. You know, if you run into a good deal, I stopped at a couple stores that I wasn't intending on stopping. Spent $1,000 on 2 items, and that kind of heavy duty investment, that stuff had to go. So it took me 2 days to get it out, but it's worth $2,600, $2,700 profit on top of the other stuff I picked up. So made that trip about $4,600 for 2 days. So we're going to change this now since that's a 10. This box is 10 inches. I think I went way too long. Oops. No fair. We're just wrap it around the bottom, right? So that one was... I don't know why I put 22 instead of... should have put about 18 on that, but never fear. This is a light. All right. So this one's 1.3 ounces. It's a... You can't see it, but it's a 10 by 6 by 4. It's one of the boxes. This one and the 6 by 4 by 4 are the ones I use the most. They will, either one of them will go cubic shipping. This 10 by 6 by 4. It's hard to show you the screens and all the everybody's address and everything. So I'll ship this and I'll tell you what it would have cost regular and what it would have cost. What it's going to cost cubic. Cubic. It might not go cubic. So this is We Sing Together. I paid $1 for it. It's still got a price sticker from the store on the back of it. I bought it at I think I bought it at I'm pretty sure a yard. I had 2 of these things. Must have been on clearance somewhere. Alright. Scotty peelers. Just don't cut your hand on them. Close enough. I got the price off. That's good enough. Alright, well, for those of you who want me to make it all nice and pretty, I'll overlap 2 of the Amazon labels on it so it doesn't look all crazy. Sometimes the scale gets off where it's got it had 0.6. I want an accurate read, so I just hit the tare button. It's 4 ounces. 4 ounces, and that's Elmo. This one here, picked this up at the yard sale for 50 cents. It's part of a 6-part series of Medal of Honor. Man, love the military, support the military. Your freedoms are not free. We do just a horrible job of taking care of our military personnel. Alright, so we got everybody done. Okay, so it went cubic. I don't know that you're going to be able to see it, but it tells you what the rate is, 0.2. It's zone 5. It was $8.25 to ship it on eBay top rated. If I was in priority, it was $8.12 cubic. So I saved 13 cents, plus I got 1%. So that was a real saver, right? Like 8 cents. So still 23 cents. You save that on every package. That's you really save on cubic when the weight gets higher. If this had been 3 or 4 pounds, I'd really save a lot of money. But I'll take any savings. Any money you save, you can spend on something else, right? I can store stuff on these other shelves with that extra 13 cents. All right, so that's it. It's just a simple video, quick to show you what's sold. These little things add up. That I didn't tell you how much I got for the cassette player. This guy, I got $26 shipped for that little cassette player. These things are worth money. And the next one I get that doesn't work, we will we'll do a video on taking it apart and ordering the band for it and cleaning it out, and show you how easy that is to fix one of these little guys. Because you can get the band for, I don't know, $5 or $6. You've got a couple into it, so it means the difference between not selling it or throwing it in a pile somewhere, or getting $25, $26 for it, right? So that's a good deal. All right, thanks for watching. Due to YouTubery, I appreciate each and every one of you for watching, and I'll find something for tomorrow. I just got a message from Harlan saying, you realize the Highway 101 in Alabama is Friday and Saturday? So there might be a lot of yard sale videos coming up Friday and Saturday. Even if Harlan doesn't go, I'll strap the camera on and go myself, right? Because I need more stuff. Got to do what you love. I work hard on Amazon and piddle with eBay so I can do what I want. And that's exactly what you should do. Work hard, play hard, and if they come together, you're still winning, right? All right, see you in the next one. Roll Tide.